Good morning. Portion for English. Today I am going to give you some written work. That is your model paper, model question paper. That will same type will come in your exam. Today I will give you some, and on Wednesday again I am giving you other questions. So prepare for that. Today you prepare all this. Same pattern will come. Oral. On Wednesday, we will again do the oral things. From book 2 and 3, we will go for action words. In action words, I am going to do the action and you have to say the words. Or I will ask you, say 5 action words, you have to tell me. It is in book number 2 and 3. Book number 1, 2 and 3, I am going to ask you the sounds and words. Sounds means, say the sound of B. You have to tell me the sound of B. B, B, B. Sound बोलना है आपको. B, B, B. What is the sound of D? You have to tell me D, D, D. Then again I am going to ask you the question. Say 2 words related to E. You have to say engine, envelope. Then A to Z, letter reading. You have to read the letters or say the letters. I will ask you like example, say G to L. You have to say those things. G, H, I, J, K, L. This type of question will come in your exam, oral. Again I will repeat this oral one on Wednesday. Model questions, some questions I have given you, go through it. This is your portion. Now come to our model questions. See, number 1 question is there, write A to H. This type of question will come. Write A to H, and what you have to write? You have to write capital letter A and small letter A, and capital letter B, small letter B. Capital letter C, leave some space and you have to write capital letter C and small letter C. Capital letter D and small letter D. This you have to write. E, F, G, H. Up to here you have to write. Next, see, fill in the blanks. I have given capital letters also and small letters. So you have to see them first. Which is capital letter, then you have to fill in the blanks. See, here it is small letter G, but here it is capital letter B. So in capital letter B you have to write capital letter C, and where there is small letter H you have to write small letter H. Small letter H. I is there, small letter J. Put a title. Circle the correct alphabets. Number 3, circle the correct alphabets. I have given only little bit, but in exam you will get same pattern. D. Here it is capital letter D and you have to circle the small letter D. Here it is capital letter G and you have to circle the small letter G. K is there. You have to circle the small letter K. You have to find out. Search and find out. Next comes, see, write the first letter of the picture. You have to write the first letter. One I have done for you. This is envelope and I wrote E. E. Igloo. You have to write capital letter I and small letter I. Boat. You have to write capital letter B and small letter B. Girl. G. You have to write capital letter G and small letter G. Match the following. See, match the following. What I have done? I have done some pictures and some letters. You have to match them. You have to find, is this a picture? No, it is a letter. So it is a capital letter A. So you have to find out its matching. capital letter A with small letter A. You have to draw line and match it. Small letter A, capital letter E and small letter E. Kite. K sounds k, k, k. Kite. Cat. Capital letter C and small letter C. See, here it is C, cat. C for cat. Grapes. G for grapes. This you have to do matching. Next comes our calligraphy. See and write. What is calligraphy? Calligraphy is that thing which we are going to write in beautiful handwritings. Handwriting is known as calligraphy. You have to see and write. Same thing you have to write. See, D is there. I have wrote D. You have to write 3 times. D, D. Again you have to write by seeing that D. J. 3 times you have to write. So, see and write beautifully. You have to write F. 3 times. E. E. 3 times. I wrote here G. You have to write capital letter G. See and write. You have to write this one. Now, I have given you the timetable. I have given the model questions. You have to go through it. And on Wednesday, I am going to tell you about rhymes, story, and English other worksheets. Action words also will do on that day. Thank you.